Hey guys, welcome to my channel, and in this video I'm going to show you how to fix app not working on your Android phone. So it's super easy and we will make sure you get it right. You just make sure to watch the complete video carefully to avoid forgetting anything and making mistakes. So let's get started. If an Android app is not working, and there are several things you can try to fix the issue. So you can just simply restart the app, and restarting the app can help fix many issues including problems with the app crashing, and close the app and reopen it. You can also guys restart your device, and restarting Android device can help also fix many issues including problems with the app not working. Just tap on the press and the hold power button for a few seconds and then click on the restart options. You can also update the app and make sure the app is up to date with all of the updates, and go to Google Play Store and then My Apps and then select the updates. So you can also see that here if I open my settings, and if I search for the updates, you can see that update apps appear, and you can see I can update all of my applications from there. Also guys, you can clear app cache and data, and clearing the cache and the data of the app can help the issue. You can check the network connection and check your internet connection to ensure that it's stable and strong, and poor internet connection can cause app not working. And hope you guys like my video. Please consider showing your support by commenting, liking, sharing and subscribing to my channel for more valuable content in the future.